Hi, Chris Kuzmo here. We continue our test-driven development for linked lists. We created a test called Test Search NE, and it passed, or did it fail? It failed. Um, and so we were happy though because we didn't expect it to pass because we knew we had implemented insert incompletely. It just replaced the head of the list. It doesn't do anything else. Let's take a quick re-look at the insert. All it does is set all insert does is set head equal to A, which replaces the previous head if the head isn't null. So this is wrong. This code is wrong. The fail fails. That's what we want. We want to fail to fail. We want to fix this code, but you know what? I'm gonna before I was curious. Wait, so okay, let's take a look at this, and I would actually also like to create a test that succeeds. And in fact, I made a mistake in the test because the test search before expected our search to produce null, but actually the result of the search should be equal to that first element. When we search for the key 3, we should get back the first element. And because we're inserting into an empty list, we should succeed, and the non-empty list test should work, and it does. But we still want a test case that fails. So ironically, by successfully creating a test case that correctly passes, we also expose to ourselves the fact that we need another test case, because we definitely need a test case that fails. So test search, 2 elements, call it TE, all right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create 2 elements. One is FE, one is SE. And we'll have a key of value 4. And we're going to insert each of them into the list. FE and SE. And FE, if we search for the element with the key 3, we should get back FE. That should be that should be what causes a pass. So we need to invoke this test. First of all, before we invoke it, let's see whether or not our defining the method creates a failure. It doesn't. So that means now then we can create a new test case. Test TE. And we expect this one to fail. And when we run, it does fail. We're happy that it fails because what's going on is we're inserting 2 elements and we're looking for the first element we inserted, but it got overwritten and it's been lost. And so we need to make it so that our insert does the right thing. If the head is null, right? If the head is null, then we do want to insert just as we had. So if head equals null, we're going to go ahead and say the head is A. But if it's not, actually, I need a quick check the code. If I'd insert, I want to make the thing after the head become next. That's what this code says. It says to make the next element the head. And then as long as the head isn't null, and make the previous element the appropriate argument. I mean, what the heck's going on here? The idea is that when we insert an element, it's going to go like, it's going to behave like a stack. Okay, so just copy. I'm just going to do the code that they have here. The next is the next becomes the head. That concerns me though. So that what they say to do next is to set next with the head. Okay, and then there's more to be done beyond this. This concerns me. Okay, so we'll have to fix this up next time.